Hello again there. Today I want to talking about jobs or businesses that consider safe to operate. Of course, it is very, should I say, simple to see certain jobs or businesses that you can work from home. Ideally, that would be what you want to do, as a lot of us are working from home already. So if your jobs require computer or use computer, the internet, the network, to you know to operate or to create contacts or communicate with your clients or your workers, computer related jobs, IT, whatnot, are very good right now, especially during COVID-19, which should last for at least a year, meaning we have to minimize human contacts or even contacts with products or different kind of materials, right? We have to be careful, or we have to disinfect them. So using computer can be like IT, tax related, can be a lot of stuff, even office, sales, marketing, e-commerce, huge, right? You can actually work from home. eBay, Amazon, or have your own, your own websites or whatnot, shifting more business into e-commerce, you know or even use some tools, some application like Zoom for meetings or talking to clients. Teaching can be done online as well, one-on-one or in a group. Live seminar should be very popular right now, especially if you're in the field or somewhere yourself. You can actually do live video of what you're doing. You can be a mechanic or engineer, or even I guess medical related. As long as you work by yourself in a lab or something like that, you can show people, you know or teach people what you're doing. Or gardening, definitely. Gardening related, agricultural related, definitely. It's safe. You can work from home in the fields. Jobs that require less contact with human, still have to deal with some human. I can say like, mechanics, auto mechanics is good, as long as you make sure the cars you work on is clean and disinfected, because you're not going to be so close to customers. So auto repair is good. Appliance repair, I would recommend you to wipe down, or wear your mask and everything else, and keep 6 feet away from your customers. Plumbing, still pretty good. AC, all of that. You Jobs that you work with machines instead of people, that is good. Electrical, but again, when you're dealing with different services, you got to make sure they clean or wear your gloves and things like that. You can imagine, as long as right now we have to stay away from human, from each other. That's the thing. Or properties or something that human touches, can be doorknobs, uh, table, and things like that. Certain type of engineering jobs or businesses are good. Construction should be good. Home repair, right now people need roofers. People need help, all to maintain their house, at their house getting older. Doing home projects should be, as long as you keep the distance, should be pretty good. Architecture, things like that. Again, because the business is getting slower, so you might have less businesses. Plumbing, electrician, like I say, auto mechanic, um, pretty good. You're running auto repair shops, that it should be pretty good. I mean, though the business might be up and down, but in terms of safety, you're pretty safe, as long as I would encourage you to disinfect, customer cars and things like that before you work, and after you work, make sure you have good protection. Of course, on the other side, on the other end, works that or jobs that are pretty high risk are in hospitals, or medical, medical related field. Actually, my family is part of my family is into medical field, and I encourage them, of course, to work less if they can right now, because it's kind of risky. People that work in, as you know, in nursing home, assisted living, very risky because they have to deal with patients and things like that. So folks there have to be extremely careful, and if you can avoid it, work less hours, right? So, I hope that, this will keep helpful information in terms of what you can do, what kind of businesses. I did a good video in terms of if you're looking into sort of opportunity during this time. I think cleaning services from small and large scale will be very good. Cleaning meaning disinfection, especially if you have some tools that can spray, I don't know, liquid disinfection liquid and things like that. That would be good. I think every company need this type of services every day, because this is it's a matter of life and death. They want to make sure their employers, I mean, their employees are safe, and employees actually demand it. They demand the workplace that are clean, had been disinfected, and keep 6 feet distance. Of course, you work in a enclosed environment with AC. Ventilation is not good because that's the thing. Going back to the office is really scary for us right now, because do we trust the ventilation system? And people get sick going to offices. So it's actually changing. It is changing the way we operate right now, for the good and the bad. It changing. It make people sort of stay put or stay in an environment, with less interaction. Okay, so family sort of stay together, which good. Some people, never seen their family members for a long time, but now they stay together. That's a good thing, you know. So I hope, we have to be more careful, because it will take times for us to come over or past this, So please feel free to have any comments, and I hope whatever you're doing or whatever you're thinking you're going to be doing, focusing on this is going to be a long time, focusing on jobs or business that doesn't have the risk of being infected with COVID-19, right? So work from home or work on machines are good, AC machines or whatever big equipments and things like that, cars, those are good. And anyway, I think I'm done for now. And if you like my video, please subscribe and stay safe. And we'll see you folks on the next video. Take care. Okay. Bye.